Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making garlic confit, and all you need is two ingredients, which is olive oil and garlic. Confit is referred to anything preserved by slowly cooking it in any liquid. In a saucepan, you want to add garlic and then pour the oil over the garlic until all of the garlic is completely submerged. Once this is done, you can turn the flame on to about a medium heat and let simmer for 1 to 2 hours until fully soft. This is what your garlic will look like after 2 hours. I went for a really dark color, but you can opt for a lighter color if you want. But I really like the depth of flavor that comes with this color. Once the oil has cooled down, strain the simmered garlic into a colander. Do not throw away the excess oil because you can use it for stir frying, sauteing, grilling, baking, and so forth. It really adds extra flavor to your dishes. Now it's time to mash the garlic. I like to use a fork, but you can use a potato masher if you have it on hand. But I like to use a fork because it gives me that coarse consistency that I like into my confit. Once you find a consistency you like, all you're gonna do is transfer it into a jar, and then you can add a little bit of the oil to the confit. This is optional, but I always like to just have some in the jar. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.